All right, we are back for another day here, and this is called the UX Insights Hub, where you can join the leading online research community. You can take surveys, share your opinions, and earn rewards. And now you click on the Google Play Store, you can download it on your Google Android phone or just Android phone in general, and then the Apple Store. You can obviously do it through that as well too. So you're going to take part in tech research by completing quick surveys and sharing how you use your favorite apps. In return, earn points and unlock exciting rewards. Now, I will tell you after you register with your name, your email address, your phone number, and all of that good stuff, they will have you. It's going to be like a little waiting, like a day waiting period to approve you. So it's not immediately after you register because they want to verify a couple of things before they bring you on board. But after that, it's still going to take some time for you to get some type of surveys in there. I've been registered for probably about a week or two after they approve me. So it's still going to take some time for them to find the right type of surveys for you. So it don't always come every day, and you can't make as much money. I would say probably between $10 to $20, if that. So it's really not a it's not a very lucrative one, but it's just some way to earn some extra money. Let me know if this is something that you like. They do track your phone apps, the network type, the usage, and the apps frequently used. So if you don't, if you and your location of usage. So if you don't like people tracking and monitoring things, this may not be a good fit for you. But like I said, you can get paid maybe $10 to $20 a month, which is not much. But if you combine it with other side hustles, you'll be able to, make decent money year over time. If you factor in $10 to $20 per month, that's 12 months. 10 times 12 is $120 a year. So, which is, I'm sure people can use an extra $120 or a little less than that in a year. That could pay a phone bill or two, but it can't pay too much. But just know that this UX Insights Hub can definitely reward you for just being able to take simple surveys. But other than that, you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Bye.